Hey guys, I just wanted to share these Pottery Barn area rug samples with you one more time before I return them to the store. And I wanted to show you this time against my wood table instead of against my dark stone floor, because the background color behind the rugs definitely will kind of change the way the color looks. So the first one is the Nicolette Rug in the Ivory multi. I have the Chase Rug in Ivory. And then I also have, this is the Arlet Rug in Smoke Multi. And I definitely recommend ordering samples if you are looking at area rugs, because again, the color can look really different from what's online, and then also different depending on what type of flooring you have and what colors you have in your room. So I think out of all three of these that I've decided to go with this Nicolette Rug in Ivory Multi. I'm glad I have this